Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 16 divided by 2 over 4, then times 8. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First, we do this multiplication. 2 over 4 times 8. Okay, 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So here we have 2 times 2, which equals 4. So 16 divided by 4 equals 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 16 divided by 2 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Then times 8. Okay? Now, 4 over 2 equals 2. So we have 16 times 2 times 8. Okay, 16 times 2 gives us 32. So we have 32 times 8, which equals, okay, 8 times 2 gives us 16. So we write 6 here and carry 1 here. Now, 8 times 3 gives us 24. So 24 plus 1 equals 25. So we have 256. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 256.